So hey guys, welcome to the new vlog. And as you all know that on 27th of February there is a chemistry exam. And for that I'll be telling you that in these gap days what I'm going to do. So it is so simple that as the physics exam was too tough. So this is simply reflecting it that chemistry exam can also be tougher, and it will take a lot of in-depth knowledge about it. So for that, I watched the lecture of this of NCRT wala of the physical chemistry, and it was in too much depth. Sir name is Akash Tyagi, and when yesterday I was watching it, I thought that it will not be of like the lecture won't be of more than 3 to 4 hours, but it was of 5 hours 15 minutes. Like it was too condensed. In-depth knowledge was very good. And today, as there is the organic chemistry class at 12 o'clock, and it is 10:23 right now. So I was just doing the questions, and I was thinking of it that from where should I be doing the questions. So I thought I should do the questions from support material. That is because I realized it that this book is published by the government itself, and CBSE makes the exam. Like I think it relates somehow that the questions might be related to the competency based, and if not, so then I'll be watching the video of NCRT wala on the competency based questions. I haven't watched it yet, but as 2 hours are left for the organic chemistry, so I'll be watching this video. I just ended up with the questions which were of 5 marks. I did 10 questions, like these long answer type questions which were of 5 marks. I ended up doing this, and the questions were level was medium. It was not like it was making me think a lot. There were just the numericals, and these are of 2 to 3 number of questions. I am not doing it because as we are not with time a lot, so I am mainly focusing on the questions which are of 5 marks. Now I'll be telling you that what my plan is for rest days. I made this strategy on the 21st of February when I came after giving my physics exam. I have been following it a bit. Like I was not totally sticked to the plan. Somehow I was not able to complete it. I was able to complete it half. So this is the strategy from 21st to 27, and I thought that I should not see any video, two sample question papers, NCRT and OSWAL, but these I changed it because as it requires in-depth knowledge, and it will need to read you NCRT a lot, and which will take my lot of time. Like three chapters were covered in 5 hours, and if I would be doing it by myself, so it might take around 7 to 8 hours if I want to understand it. So that's why I changed my plan and switched to YouTube. And on 21st I did my physical chemistry revision. Then yesterday on 22nd I thought of doing a lot of questions, but I was not able to because I was so lazy. Like my whole day got so much lazy with laziness because I woke up at 11 o'clock just because on the previous day I was doing the revision till late night. So my whole day got wasted. I was able to do only few of the questions. And today as it is 23, so I am going to start organic chemistry. I thought to do it by myself, but as today Shaurya Grover ma'am is going to take the class of organic chemistry, so I'll be doing it. And after taking the class, I'll be writing the reactions as many times as possible after finishing the class. And then the conversion videos of Shaurya ma'am, and then support material. I thought of doing it in 2 days, 23 and 24, but I think tomorrow is the class of inorganic chemistry by Bijendra sir. So I'll be taking that class on 25, and like after completing the sample question paper, I'll take that class because I was about to do the inorganic chemistry on 25 only. So I'll not be taking the class of Bijendra sir on 24, which is going to be live, but on 25. And on the next day, like on the left 2 days, 25 and 26, I am going to do sample question paper. This sample question paper will be of analysis of the topics in which I am weak, and this sample question paper will be on the time management. I'll not be doing analysis of it, and if I'll be doing the analysis of it, so just to know that in which topics I'm weak, and in the rest of time I'll try to do it. And on the last day, that is 27th in the morning, I'll try to revise the short notes from this book, because the short notes are also good. Although I made the short notes by myself, but I don't think so that this much amount of work is to be done, and I was not able to complete the short notes of all the chapters, so I'll do the revision through it. And one more thing, that as today I'll be completing the physical chemistry with questions and theory. So in the rest of days, if I'll not be doing revision, so I'll forget it. So that's why I'll be doing revision from this in between the days. Like these three chapters are completed. So I'll be doing revision of these three chapters in between the days. Hope so that I'll be following this strategy, not totally, but few of them. And uh, and also tell me in the comment section, and also tell me in the comment section that the strategy which I made is good. And you might say that the strategy which you made is good, but you should follow it, because I made a lot of strategy uh, which I couldn't follow just because of not being disciplined and consistent. That is the major factor required. If a person achieves that, this means that he's a topper. And there is nothing to say that it's hard to follow or be disciplined, because someday you are lazy and someday you are more energetic. When you are studying with full interest, you think that why don't you study like this daily, but all days are not same, right? So that's why I think so. And in the physics paper, as everybody got to know, that the set 1 and set 3 in the Delhi paper of 55 slash 1 slash set 1 and set 2 were the hardest. And hope so that the students get the grace marks, because I talked to my one of my friend who was the topper in different school, and he told me that uh, rarely he'll be getting around 30 marks, 30 to 40. And as I told that in the previous year paper on 2024, uh, students got grace marks, and hopefully in this year also students should get grace marks, because the paper level was too hard, not in my set but in the set 1 and set 3. And don't think about it a lot, as like I know that I'm not gonna score good in physics, but if I'll be just thinking about it, so my next coming exam will be the same. So now that's the strategy I'm going to follow. Hope so that the chemistry exam don't goes the way the physics was. And many people, students and teachers also talked about it, that physics exam is, that's why it is physics exam. Like if its difficulty won't be hard, so how will be students able to know that this is the real competition? So I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.